One, inside my heart, I feel that this exercise is long overdue. We should have done it yesterday. Because the exhibitions that I saw, you would find people lining up, especially these who are selling seeds and these ones who are dealing in mechanization and irrigation. Those had big numbers of people lining up, and some were buying in Mubende. We found them buying, even in Kasanda. Even in Kyankwanzi, I saw people buying this equipment. Government can handle some things, but even the public can do, given the knowledge and given access to these other facilities. For example, you were with me in Mubende. You saw the younger man who was buying an irrigation system. He said, no, I did it in tomatoes. I want to have tomatoes throughout the year.
We started, and now, as we bring another one after a year, we picked up some land issues because we were in the region where land matters are many, but the issues we are not all that threatening. To me, they are manageable, because previously we had mass evictions, but here we have individual cases that can be managed when it comes to land, and especially if we decide to do so. The other DCs and the local leaders not to wait for the minister or somebody from the ministry to go on ground, because you remember His Excellency gave a directive to all our DCs, and we expect them to ensure that whatever the president wrote about is followed. In case of any shortcoming, they can reach out to us for assistance rather than waiting for the masses to cry and be helpless. Yet some of the issues are very simple. When it comes to matters of family, they can help. Before even going to the Administrator General's office, working with the RDC, when it comes to public land, because we also have public land here in Uganda, the area land committees, the district land boards are responsible for public land, and they know the law. They unallocate land which does not belong to anybody or an authority. If they allocate land belonging to an authority, then their transactions are null and void. Those are the things we need to emphasize when we go on ground to ensure that at least we create that assurance. But
the other aspect that came out so well was your engagement and involvement between the community and the extension workers. It was a very, very good exercise. And them giving out their numbers and you noting them down, really it's, even to them themselves, they know that the Prime Minister has my name, has my number, and he's monitoring me. And the community now knew that these people even have motorcycles, they're supposed to come. So, because we went there and left, but they're supposed to be there full time. And then the other issue, because the involvement of the young people in agriculture, the aspect of musicians brought young people.
Yes.
Even when they had come for Kwepicha,
but the message,
but they were getting the message from
loud
everybody,
and clear.
very loud and clear.
Yes.
The message about PDM, the message about agriculture, the message about land, the message about health. So for purposes of mobilization for the party and government, we just want to thank you so much for that.
Issue of value addition, which is being misunderstood or ununderstood. But we have to really care about coffee at this time, because there are many things which are misunderstood.
Say for example?
It's difficult to understand that quality or even value start before coffee is planted. The intrinsic values which are searched for in the cup, they start there. And when we are doing value addition, we should start there.